The TorchStart LED recessed light is a retrofit downlight to replace halogen and incandescent bulbs in 5 and 6-inch housings. It's dimmable and it works with most LED dimmers, and it's very easy to install. You're just going to adjust the brackets for the size of your housing, take out the old bulb and the trim kit, screw in your adapter and connect it to the light. You're going to squeeze the springs and push it up to the ceiling. It only uses 15 watts for 1100 lumens, and that's the same light output as a 75 watt incandescent bulb. It's 2700K, so it's a soft white, slightly yellowish in color. It's rated at 50,000 hours. You can use this in wet locations. It has a CRI of over 90, so you have great clarity and color rendering. It has a 5-year warranty, and I'll put some more information underneath the video.